In this video, guys, I want to talk about the Harbor Freight aluminum jack stands. Now, for a long time, I've used both the Harbor Freight aluminum jack stands along with jack stands I got from Sears way back in like the 90s. And these are all steel and come in at close to like 9 pounds, whereas these are about 4.5 pounds. Very easy to move around. But because of comments from all of my subscribers over the years, I've had concerns about whether these aluminum jack stands are really that strong. And so I found myself using more the all steel jack stands. But I recently saw a video by Project Farm, and I really love this guy. And he was talking about using cheap jack stands, inexpensive, moderate quality jack stands. And are they safe? He did a test and found out how strong are these Harbor Freight Pittsburgh aluminum jack stands. And to my surprise, when he put down crushing pressure on the jack stands, they held up until, are you ready for this? About 9,000 pounds. Now 9,000 pounds is way more than I thought was possible for aluminum. And I'm not saying use these exclusively and put yourself underneath the car with these exclusively, but wow, that's way, way more than I thought these could handle. So I guess what I'm saying is that, if you're somebody that uses these aluminum jack stands from Harbor Freight and you like using them, I like using them, they're real lightweight, realize they are pretty darn strong at 9,000 pounds or 4.5 tons, tested by Project Farm. Now, again, I talk about when I'm underneath the car, I don't just use one jack stand like under the pinch weld. I'll use the jack stand under the pinch weld. I'll take the wheel off and put that under the car, and then I'll take an aluminum one and I'll take it next to me and put that under the subframe as a buddy. So that's like 3, sometimes I even go 4 methods, 4 levels of protection. So I'm all about protecting yourself underneath the car. But I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing fact that Project Farm tested these things and they came in at being able to support 9,000 pounds. Pretty incredible. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you guys are inspired by my videos, making your cars last longer. There's no reason to get rid of a car that's still running, still looks decent, could last you 25 years. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.